Good morning, everybody. My name is Tarun, and I run a company called Virtual Pebbles. We are an agency based in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, in India. And we have some good presence now in Gujarat and nearby states. And one of our esteemed customers is Gujarat Innovation Society. And today, I'm in the offices with the chairman of Gujarat Innovation Society, Mr. Sunil Shah. So today, I'm going to ask him 2 to 3 questions. दो से तीन question पूछूंगा, which is going to be about the services that I have given to Gujarat Innovation Society and with my team. And this is not a scripted set of questions. So my very first question is, when we started, servicing Gujarat Innovation Society for all the services related to content, related to awareness and everything, how did we perform? As me and my team, how did we perform?
Tarun, I think probably we are working together since last 3 years, 3.5 years. Fine. One thing is probably if I answer in a very elaborative manner, rather than I would prefer to put it in a very simple way. I would rate you your performance, particularly your individual performance as well as your entire team performance, 8 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10. I think then this does not require any elaborative kind of that you did good job, Jetsi did good job, your fellow other team member did good job. But fine, Gujarat Innovation Society in a way got a good mileage across the various states as well as nation through your efforts in last 3.5 years.
So second question is, all the services that we gave, how did Gujarat Innovation Society in last 3 years, with our help and with obviously the support of all the board members of Gujarat Innovation Society, and how everybody supported us to take things further, whether it is promoting iTalk, whether it is getting nominations in, whether it is or it is organizing the awards, anything of that sort. How did it come up? So as for you, how did it help?
I appreciate your approach in terms of understanding the need, understanding what the customer or the audience will require.
Right.
How they will react or participate or interact with the GIS through the post.
Right.
But at the same time, as I am a part of the innovations, I obviously do the observation, never do any criticize. All those things which have been done in last 3 years, if today we have to perform, we need to do it proactively, well in advance, before the time.
Correct.
Now, irrespective of our creativity, irrespective of our understanding of the product or the launch or the audience or the interaction, everything. But if we miss the bus, nothing will help us.
Yes.
So what probably you will have to come out with that an approach which will probably help customers or in a organization like us, that we are ready for next 3 years calendar.
Right.
And not only the calendar, but with everything which is supposed to go into the social media.
Towards the last question, and a question which is very related to your further visions for Gujarat Innovation Society, and how do you see the digital aspect for Gujarat Innovation Society in next 12 to 24 months? We would be glad to be a part of it, and I am sure we are part of it. It is just that I think whoever is going to watch this video, more than about our services, they would also want to know Gujarat Innovation Society is heading in which direction for the coming months and years.
Gujarat Innovation Society was set up as a trust in 2011.
Correct.
In 2019, we have converted this trust into a Section 8 company.
Yes.
Which has gotten more power, more transparency. It is now exposed to the ROC, so anybody in the government can rely that it's a genuine foundation.
Yes.
So from Gujarat Innovation Society, now we are in a GIS foundation.
Correct.
So far we have our presence in Gujarat. We used to celebrate the innovation of all Gujarati citizens on our platform.
Yes.
We are expanding our horizon not over a period. This time in 2021, we will have the first edition of Western India Awards.
Right.
we are doing around say 15 numbers of awards every year. This year probably we will double it, and we'll try that the good number of people from Maharashtra, Goa, Rajasthan, Diu, Daman, and
Western states,
yes, Salwas. These 6 states plus Gujarat, 7 will be the part of that. I feel that the presence of the digital media, particularly social media and variety of it,
Yes.
is very very critical to reach the large number of audience across these 7 states.
Got that. So the digital aspect with the technology, that is the website that we have open over here, and connected with that all the platforms, the content, the inbound messages, the nominations, the interest from all these Western states and the Union territories, all that will be on digital platforms, and virtually I think we'll be taking GIS Foundation further into 2021 and years to come.
The pebbles of the virtuals should be loud enough to reach to every corner of all these 7 states.
I hear that. I got that, and thank you very much. Thank you very much, Sunilji. Thank you for this last tip. Also, I got it. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
very much.
Thank you.